How to use a knife and store it safely. If you are a bit like me, cooking regularly for the family, you might end up with lots of knives and blades. You want to store them securely. One way is to have a block or anything or any other means of storage for your knife, where you can decide in which direction the blade's pointing, here on the outer edge of the countertop. If you have a blade on the countertop, turn it away from you. You might hit it while not paying attention. The last one is my favorite. After a long day, you might end up with dirty knives and you clean it. You let the cleaner soak in and put it into the sink. While cleaning something else, you might hit it while the blade is submerged. Don't do that. No actual fingers were hurt while filming this video. Please enjoy life. For more kitchen shenanigans, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.